Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the FiveM. The selected path does not contain GTA5.exe file. So I don't have an example at the moment in the game and FiveM, but the steps are very easy. First of all, you'll need to open the Rockstar launcher, and you will need to click on GTA, then click on Open File Location once you right click on it. You can go and click on the game, click on Settings, and click on the game again, and you can find View Installation folder, and basically the folders of the game should open right away. Let's just say an example. These are the folder of the games that will open to you. So what you will find there, you'll find GTA 5 dash as an example, or underscore enhanced. So let me see something like this. So you'll find an example logs underscore example enhanced.exe. So you should find that. All you need to do, just go to it and remove this enhanced. Of course, let's the .exe. And now you will have, right click on it now, click on copy as path. Once you do so, once you find this example and click on copy as path, you will have then to go and look for FiveM. Basically, whatever it is, you can just go on, or wherever it is, just right click on it and click on open file location again. Once you do so, you'll have to right click on it again and click on open file location again. And this will make you find it. Where is it exactly? Once you find it, you find for stuff. All you need to do, just go and click on the top one, which should be FiveM application data. And once you click on it, you should find a file called citizen fx.ini. All you need to do, just go and double click on it. It will open the editor. So it will be something like this, .ne. All you need to do, just go and open it up. You can open it on the notepad. And normally, you should find an example there, something called a game, and then the IV2 like dots and the path. All you need to do, just go and paste whatever you copied first. As example, like this one. An example, we said it is this one. Let me just go to it and click on copy as path, and you'll have to basically just paste it like this. Make sure to save it using Windows S, or click in here, click on save, and then it will be saved. This should fix the FiveM. The selected path does not contain GTA5.exe file. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.